a wonderful song. It's called Mercy Tree. We played it in parts and groups. Knowing that Jesus specifically thought of you and me when he surrendered himself. That's how much he loves us. On a hill called Calvary stands an endless mercy tree. Every broken, weary soul find your rest and be made whole. Stripes of blood that stain its frame, shed to wash away our shame. From the stars your love released, salvation by the mercy tree. In the spot between two thieves hung the blameless Prince of Peace, beaten, battered, scarred, and scorned, sacred head pierced by our thorn. It is finished was his cry, the perfect Lamb was crucified, the sacrifice, our victory, our Savior chose the mercy tree. Hope went dark that violent day, the whole earth quaked in love's display. 3 days silent in the ground, this body